Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Let us take a quick look of the features inside my Pioneer AVH-A315BT installed in my Nissan Almera 2017. It is a 2D head unit with a 6.8-inch touchscreen display head. Let us start now. Let us look first at its radio features. We click the menu here and select radio. I will just show you the basics and the interface. This is how you traverse through different channels, and this is how you scan for a radio channel. So you click here. Sound quality is good, but its radio reception depends on your area. So that is the radio. Nothing fancy and spectacular. Now let us look at its Bluetooth features. Again, we click the menu and select Bluetooth port. As you can see here, my Oppo phone here is connected to my head unit. And currently I'm listening to Spotify. The head unit has A2DP capabilities, meaning you can view the artist, the title, this is the artist, the title, and the album in the display. You can also play, pause, select the next or previous song directly from your Pioneer head unit. The Bluetooth setting is here. Click the settings icon and then click the Bluetooth icon. Click connection and you can find here the paired devices. Connection is here, and as you can see, these are my paired devices. It can support two simultaneous Bluetooth connections, one for music and the other one for calls. So that is the Bluetooth audio. Now let us take a look at its auxiliary features. Again, we click the menu and select aux. Currently my head unit is connected to a digital television box. As you can see here, this is my default channel, which is GMA7. There is a separate remote control for my TV box. I'll add some light. There is the remote. So you cannot choose. Turn off. So you cannot use the touch screen to change the channels. I only use the volume buttons here. My digital TV box is located at the bottom of the passenger glove box. I will show you here. There it is. So that is the auxiliary. Now let us take a look at its USB features. Again, we click the menu and select USB. As you can see, the USB cable is hidden from plain sight. In my case, the USB cable was placed in my glove box, and I will show you here. Let us turn on the light. So that is my USB cable. So going back, this head unit can play MPEG videos, but it only supports low resolution videos. 480p, if I'm not mistaken, is the maximum resolution. So I don't use it to play videos at all. But I have this sample, as you can see here. You will click this icon. So there's some music and there's a video. So we will go with the video first. So there, I have two 480p videos, music videos. So going back, you can use your iPad or iPhone to connect to this head unit. Unfortunately, I don't have one to this. Now let us go to music. If you are a sound quality guy, you should go for the USB mode instead of Bluetooth. But of course, given you have a good MP3 bitrate. As you can see, it has the title, the artist, and the album. It has no album art. So that's it for the USB features. Now let us take a look at its different settings. You can go anywhere and just click this cog icon to go to its settings. As you can see here, auxiliary is on. Camera settings, if you have a reverse camera installed. System language, of course we use English. Restore settings, beep tone. Dimmer settings, well, the backlight dims automatically once you turn on the park light at night. Theme, so there's just two you can choose from. There are two backgrounds that you can choose from. Illumination, you can customize the color of the buttons. Again, I'm using orange for this one. Theme, there are 5 colors to choose from. I personally use orange, as I said. Well, I'm using orange because it matches well with my dashboard lights. As you can see here, I'll turn on the dashboard lights. It's orange here. Go back to settings. Audio settings. Equalizer. You can select from the default presets. I'm using the powerful preset. I only have the stock paper. I only have the stock paper speakers, by the way. Video setup. I won't bother here anymore as I don't even have DVD discs. Bluetooth. Connection. This is where you will pair your smartphone. Connection. So this is where you will pair your smartphone to this head unit. Auto connect. You can turn this on if you want your phone to connect automatically to this head unit. So those are the common settings. Now let us take a look at the phone interface. This is the interface if you want to access your contacts from your phone, and you can call them here directly without touching your phone as long as your phone is connected via Bluetooth. It has an external microphone. If you are wondering where is it, I will show you here. So it's here. To summarize, Pioneer AVH-A315BT is a good all-around 2D touchscreen head unit. User interface is crisp, intuitive. I will recommend this to potential buyers out there. Thanks for watching and see you out there. Stay safe on the road as always.